November 3rd, darker, a little bit dampy day outside. The warm days are gone. We have some packs to open up. We're gonna have about a hobby box a day, I think, give or take. We'll start with our Archives packs. And we got lots of packs to go through. Ron Darling, he is the second auto. It is at least a good looking auto. So both my autos in this were nothing fancy, similar to my Fire findings. Didn't find anything really great there either. Trey Mancini being probably the best auto, at least my favorite. I just cut here because I like getting stuck on these sleeves. The sleeves are tight. You can see it really goes in and protects it really good. We'll get that sleeved up. Now we got one more 4-card selection after this. Some blasters. That'll be done by on Wednesday, 1 week. The moving van will be loading us up. Josh Donaldson, that's a kick. It's not the auto or the variation you're looking for. Wouldn't be the auto either. Man, I've cut these honorary cards today. At 125. Supposed to snow the day we leave here. Hunter Green, Hannah McGill, some better cards. Still looking for the Bobby Witt though. Satchel in the back. Bruhan. Bobby Witt. It's got 4 more cards. I don't think I'm going to get any more of these boxes. Anyway, hobby. We have a pro debut base, not the chrome. Open this up. We'll do super rip style. 4 autos. We should get some color going on in here. We got 4 more hobby boxes to go for the next 6 days. We'll figure out 3 more blasters. Do stacks of 3. We'll get ripping and see what we can find. I have noticed you do finish up a paper set pretty easily. I did order some update, but like I said, I sent them to Arizona, so you won't see them till I'm there and settled down. Haven't seen any retail of update. Okay. Chun Chujin Lee, first auto. 4 in a box again. Goodman. Back to back there. Lamar. Got a nice Rainer. Okay, I don't know anything about him either. There's Tovar. So 2 autos in the first stack. We'll get those sleeved up and take a look at them. Not familiar with either of them, and they look to be base. The Crows are having a field day on who knows what. Looks like upside down. Born in 99. Born in 2002. I don't know anything about either of those cards. Let's get the next stack going. No colors. That was surprising. I thought we would have had a color in there. It's a fun set for autos. And like you've noted, you get some great autos out of it. Packs open up pretty easily also. Two more for this stack. It's sort of halfway misting at this moment. Half a side. Everson Ortega. Gabriel Rodriguez. A little bit of a spoiler. I knew it was coming. Right where it divided was on a colored auto. Trey Sweeney. Blue out of 150. Nice Benny Montgomery. So 3 autos and 2 colors so far out of the hobby box. What do you know about this guy? 2000. Gabriel Rodriguez out of 150. 2002. I did pull a 101 out of this last year with my brother. They're black. Nice card. I've shown it in previous videos. Emerson Ortega. This is on a 199. Put those in there. We have our last pack. As far as short prints go, I did pull a Wander short print. I think it was out of the same pack, or not the same pack, but the same hobby box as the 101. There's the Wander short print that I just only recognized purely because I was looking for Wander Francos and noticed that there were two different photos. Otherwise, I do not think I would be able to pull that out. So it's made me paranoid about the set that I have the variations up, and I look for all the players and I double check and do all that. One more auto, and hopefully a little bit more color. Cowser. TJ White. I've heard of him. This is the last auto. Did pull a Blaze in one of my Chrome packs. I thought the Chrome box was a really fun rip. It's worth a little bit more than the hobby box. Actually, over 50% more, but I thought it was a high quality rip with some high quality cards. That's where we're gonna leave it. So I am going to look at these more on my own after I log off here and get inside where I can cross stitch them a little more. This isn't, outside is not the best place to organize cards. I do the opening because I like the background. TJ White, non-numbered, 2003. I've heard of him. We'll go over all of them one more time. I have them all sleeved. And Colton Cowser. Well, this is 200, I believe. So let's take a look at what we have. 2 pinks, 2 blues, 1 being an auto. Colton Cowser at a 199. At a 199, these are 150s, and these are unnumbered autos. Anyway, let me know how you thought he did. I'll look for the short prints, and otherwise, we got more hobby packs boxes coming for you, including a surprised one I'm especially interested in, especially enough that I probably would not open it outside. We'll see you. Bye.